Hi everyone, welcome to the QuizzerApp. The QuizzerApp is a software package designed to conduct quizzes. It has two subpackages. The first subpackage deals with the user interface, and it also manages the taking quiz process. The second subpackage creates quiz objects from databases. In our case, we use JSON files as our database, and we create quiz objects for the first subpackage. In order to use this application, we're going to use pip install. To install it, we're going to use pip install QuizzerApp, and then in order to run this application, we're going to use Python -m quizzer. Let me show you this process. So we open up the terminal first, and then we're going to put the command in pip install QuizzerApp. And this is going to download the app to your computer. Once it's successfully installed to your machine, we're going to command Python -m quizzer. Please make sure that this Q is capitalized, and then we're going to enter. This starts the application. It welcomes you by saying welcome to the quiz app. And it also prompts you to put in your name. Let me put in my name. It welcomes you by your name, and then it gives you three options. The three options are list quizzes, take quizzes, and then exit the app. So the list quizzes function, you can select by putting in a capital L or small l, it doesn't matter. When you select that and then enter it, it will list all of the available quizzes inside the database. And then as you can see, there are 13 quizzes available to take. So now that we know there are 13 quizzes are available, let's take a quiz, which is the second option. So we're going to select T, and then it prompts you to enter the quiz number. So this quiz number is one of the 13 quizzes that are available in our database. So let's just select the first one, the computer vocabulary quiz. Once you enter that, it gives you a brief description of what the quiz is about, and then the questions available, and then the total score. As you can see, there are 10 questions available. Let's just go through this quiz process. A computer program is a piece of software. Devices that are connected to computers, such as printers, scanners, and modems, are called peripherals. What do we call a specific computer record containing data or small program file? What do we call the part of a computer that stores programs and information? Hard disk. What do we call a program for exploring the web and viewing websites? Browser. To open a particular folder, file, or app, you just have to click on its icon. RAM, ROM, and then cache are different types of memory, which allows wireless data communication. Bluetooth. What do people go to public hotspots for? To access the internet. A computer's CPU is its heart. Okay, after taking the test, it gives you have to scroll back to see your results. It gives you a detailed result details for each question. For example, for each question A, it gives you the question, it lists the correct answer, and it also gives your answer. And then the time spent on this particular question, the scores that you gained, and then if there are extra score points, and then total scores. So you can see the detailed information for each question. And then after that, in the end, there is a total score, 10 points out of possible 10 points. And then we got total score, extra scores here, and then thus our total score is 14 points. Now that we're done, if you want to take another quiz, you can put T again and then take another quiz. However, when you're done, you can just put E, and then we are back to where we started. And then that showcases the main functionalities of our application. Thank you.